Join me as I take on the challenge of turning $0 into $1,000 in just one day with live crypto and forex trading. There's nothing quite like the rush of adrenaline you get from making quick profits in the volatile markets of crypto and forex. It's a thrill that's hard to match, and today I'm excited to share that experience with you live. When it comes to trading, beginners often face a plethora of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is lack of knowledge. Not knowing where to start, what to trade, or how to manage risk can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get discouraged before you even begin. Another obstacle is fear of loss. It's natural to fear losing your hard-earned money, but it's essential to overcome this fear and develop a mindset that can handle both wins and losses. Fear of loss often leads to analysis paralysis, where traders are too afraid to make a move, fearing they'll make the wrong one. This fear can be crippling, causing traders to miss out on potential opportunities. And then there's market volatility, the unpredictable nature of the markets that can make it difficult to make informed decisions. But despite these challenges, many traders are drawn to the world of crypto and forex because of the potential for quick profits. And that's exactly what I'm aiming to do today, turn $0 into $1,000 in just one day. So let's dive into my trading strategy for June 8th. I started the day by analyzing the market trends and identifying potential trading opportunities. I used a combination of technical and fundamental analysis to make informed decisions about which assets to trade and when to enter and exit the market. My first trade was a forex trade, where I went long on the euro-dollar pair. I used a 15-minute chart to identify a trend reversal, and I set a stop loss and take profit accordingly. I also kept a close eye on the economic calendar to ensure I wasn't caught off guard by any surprise news announcements. My next trade was a crypto trade, where I went short on Bitcoin. I used a 1-hour chart to identify a bearish trend, and I set a stop loss and take profit accordingly. I also monitored the order book to gauge market sentiment and adjust my strategy as needed. As the day went on, I continued to monitor my trades and adjust my strategy as needed. I was ecstatic when I hit the $500 mark, but I knew I couldn't get complacent. I had to keep pushing to reach my goal of $1,000. The moment I hit the $1,000 mark was incredible. It was a mix of emotions, excitement, relief, and a sense of accomplishment. I couldn't believe I had turned $0 into $1,000 in just one day. Looking back on my trading experience, I realized that there are a few key takeaways that helped me achieve success. Firstly, having a clear trading strategy and sticking to it is crucial. Secondly, managing risk and controlling emotions is vital. And finally, staying flexible and adapting to changing market conditions is essential. To all the traders out there, I encourage you to share your own trading experiences in the comments below. What worked for you? What didn't? And don't forget to check out my other videos for more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.